In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the mind map view in Monday.com to visualize your projects, tasks, and workflows in a much more intuitive way. If you've ever felt like your board looks too linear or you just want a better way to see the big picture, the mind map view is a powerful feature you should definitely be using. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can set it up and start using it right away. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials just like this. All right, let's dive in. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, open the board that you want to visualize using a mind map. This can be any board where you're managing projects, tracking tasks, planning content, or organizing workflows. The mind map view works especially well if you're using parent items and sub-items because it visually displays those relationships in a tree structure. After you've opened your board, look at the top of the screen where your current views are listed, such as Main Table, Kanban, Calendar, or Timeline. Click on the Views button. From there, select plus Add View. A panel will open showing all the available view options you can add to your board. In the search bar, type Mind Map if you don't immediately see it in the list. Once you find Mind Map, click on it and then select Open. Monday.com will now load the Mind Map view for your board. And just like that, your board transforms into a visual hierarchy. Now, let's talk about what you're seeing on the screen. The Mind Map view automatically organizes your board data for you. Your parent items appear as the main nodes. If you're using sub-items or connected items, those appear as branches extending from the main nodes. Groups in your board are typically structured as separate sections, helping you visually break down different phases or categories of work. The best part is you don't have to manually design the layout. Monday automatically builds the structure based on your existing board setup. This makes it incredibly fast to get a high-level overview of your entire workflow. Next, let's look at how you can customize the mind map view. At the top bar of the mind map screen, you'll see several useful options. One of the most important is Filter. Click on Filter, and you can choose to display items based on specific criteria, such as status, owner, group, or any other column in your board. For example, you could filter to show only tasks assigned to a specific team member, or only items marked as in progress. As soon as you apply the filter, the mind map refreshes automatically to show only matching items. This is extremely useful when you want to focus on a specific part of your workflow without distractions. Another powerful feature is the ability to collapse and expand notes. At the top, you'll see options like Expand All or Collapse All. If your board has a lot of sub-items, collapsing everything can help you quickly reset your view. You can also manually click the small arrows next to individual nodes to expand or collapse specific branches. This gives you full control over how much detail you want to see at any moment. Now let's talk about editing directly inside the mind map view. One of the best things about this feature is that it's not just for viewing. You can actually update your items right from the map. Click on any node and you'll see quick action options. From there, you can edit the item name, change the status, assign or reassign a person, add dates, and modify any other column values connected to that item. As soon as you make changes, they sync instantly with the main board view. There's no need to switch back and forth between views. Everything stays connected in real time. This makes the mind map view incredibly useful for brainstorming sessions, planning meetings, or strategy reviews. Instead of scrolling through rows in a table, you can visually walk through your structure and make updates on the fly. It's especially helpful for managers who want to see project dependencies and overall structure at a glance. So to quickly recap, log into Monday.com, open your board, click Views, select plus Add View, search for Mind Map, and click Open. Then use filters, expand or collapse branches, and edit items directly within the map to fully take advantage of this feature. That's how you use the mind map view in Monday.com to turn your board into a powerful visual planning tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Monday.com guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.